Hey guys, silverGameOfThrone is here. Let me give you very brief, very short overview on the crypto market. And you know, many people ask, oh, what about Ethereum Classic? What about this? What about this? I like to see the global picture, okay? You know, I care less about specific coin, but I try to see the global picture. Why? Because I believe, okay, this is my view, that any smart ape in his portfolio must to have Bitcoin, like I said many times, half, 50% should be in Bitcoin. And here I will tell you proof why. Doge, right? Last time I start to think, I was always very negative about Doge, but I think that Elon Musk is a good guy, and once he is a good guy, that his project which he supports should be also good. So I start to be more positive on Doge. Litecoin, of course, Ethereum Classic, Monero, Bitcoin Cash, right? This is the strongest coin, what I call level 1. This is level 1, okay? And anyone must to have in his portfolio, this is ground zero, level 0, 50%, okay? 50% should be Bitcoin, okay? I don't want to discuss it, I just telling you my view. Level 1, 25%. 25% allocation should be in level 1, okay? And I just mentioned this is a level 1, okay? And then there is a level 2, which is Bitcoin SV, Dash, Zcash, right? Maybe someone keep Raven coin, I'm not, but maybe someone keep, this is level 2, right? This is level 2, okay? Let's say 25%. Maybe, I say 25% for all the rest, okay? Let's take it like this, for all the rest, okay? So level 2, but all the rest, I prefer to split on level 2 and level 3. This is the level 2 coins, and then there is a level 3 coins, which are Horizon, Digibyte, maybe, Cadena, Coin, Bitcoin Gold, of course, okay? I just, mention. So this kind of your portfolio, okay? I assume this is your portfolio. And then, and this 25, 25, and 50, okay? So let's assume you have this portfolio, okay? Then you will understand me. But if your portfolio is only 3 coins, let's say Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin Cash, and something wrong, guys, you understand? As more you spray this portfolio, as better for you, as you less worry about specific coin, right? And this is what we see today. Okay, this is first. Second, what I want to pay your attention, just look here, guys, just look on the right side, okay? Right side. What I want to say on the right side, you see here Bitcoin 66%, and more or less year today, it's when all market boom started, from low point to high point. And you can see that Bitcoin basically overcome any of, small coin. It's only C coin, and this network, some coins, they overcome. But not talking about this Confluent network, some garbage, Chinese garbage. I'm not talking about this. This is something else going on, okay? We are talking about proof of work coins. Bitcoin is going up, right? Now all these coins are lagging. Everyone is lagging, and these two, Bitcoin SV and Zcash, are lagging the most. Doesn't mean I shall not invest into this coin. No, this is exactly my point. No, but risk is very high. So risk reward should be proportional, right? You should not invest everything in Zcash, guys. That's just pure stupid. Maybe it will go to the nothing, right? Risk reward. But the chances that Zcash will wake up, especially because it's so good project, right? It's so privacy and all this are very high, right? And with all this, when you see it's -2, right? It didn't rise at all. Well, all the rest, right, on 30% give you chances that it will be on equal levels. So it will rise as a minimum on 30-40%, right? So, risk-reward ratios, it's all here, right? But you can see now Bitcoin time. It's a Bitcoin time. Bitcoin rise minimum twice than any of strong proof of work coins, okay? Just it's a Bitcoin time. Why? Because in time of uncertainty right now, today, right? The people are thinking, you know, especially the big sharks, they are putting money in Bitcoin. They don't play like you and me, guys. You need to understand. This is a big money game, okay? The big money game will be always in Bitcoin, not in your Dash, Zcash, or Bitcoin Gold. Is it mean that that's coin are bad? No, but the risk reward, they don't want to risk. They know Bitcoin is an asset and they put in a, and you can see, you see, even you know, it rises twice more than any of proof of work, you know. It should tell you something. Keep half in your Bitcoin. Half in Bitcoin, I told you many times, right? And then the risk with the rest. Okay, now when you understand what's going on, like the last I want to mention. Now you can see, remember my video about Litecoin halving? Litecoin halving will be somewhere in 4 months, right? But look into my video, just, you know, go and look into Litecoin halving. And I say that probably the peak for Litecoin will be somewhere in end of April, you know, 2-3 months before the halving. It's normal because people learn, people now, especially this market run by, you know, speculators, right? Which, you know, how they do it. They try to, you know, run out before. They don't want to run out, you know, at the time when it will be actual Litecoin halving. So trust me, when you see Litecoin halving on this day, Litecoin will be low. It will be 2-3 months before it will be on the top, but not on Litecoin halving. So, and you see, Litecoin already started to move, right? This is what I want to tell you right now. Bitcoin is always leading the chart, but then the strongest, you know, level 1 coin will start to move. And the follow-up, you see the follow-up, you see the Dash, the follow-up, and Zcash, right? They are follow-up, you see, follow-up, okay? And this is Litecoin is the strongest, okay? So, you know, be smart, Ape. Just look on this market, understand what's going on here, understand why Litecoin rising, because it's halving it soon, you know, 1 month left for the peak probably. Somewhere in end of April will be peak, you know. Look into my video, Litecoin halving. I told you why. So, this is why Litecoin will be leading the chart, I believe, in last months, before peak, okay. Next April month, you'll see Litecoin sparking, okay. I don't know how much it will go. No one knows, okay. But I assume somewhere, don't catch me, my last video, maybe somewhere between 150 to 200, somewhere in this range. Yeah, maybe 150, you know, this range. So you will understand, you will see when, and by the way, when you look on this, you always look on real volume. This is very important, super important. When you see the real volume rise, okay, this is when usually price rise. You know, when everything green, you see the volume is decided. Okay, and now you can see volume here. You see Dash volume 50, 10% of real volume, and Zcash volume 10%. When you see Zcash volume rise, like on the Dash level, you can understand this will be the swap. This will be the swap between Dash and between Zcash. I told you leveraging, right? It's very good. Like say today, it's almost 2 to 1. You can make twice more coins if you do it the right way. But it's risky, right? It will never swap, okay? So if you do risk, do in proper way. I'm doing 33, 33, 33. What I'm telling you, it's nothing new here. I'm just telling you, be cool, okay? Be sharp, okay? Think positive, and if you keep 50% here, you should not worry even, right? Even this, let's say, Bitcoin will rise, and this coin will never rise above Bitcoin. You still should be good. You will have a profit. Okay, if you compare this profit to silver gold, you know, you're a lucky one. Because in silver gold, if you have 2x, wow, every will be on his heads, right? And here we see 5x and we are not happy. You should be happy, guys, even with 2x, 3x, right? No, I'm not happy. I want to see 20x. Okay, it's up to you. Go and, you know, maybe you will lose all your money. I'm talking about smart apes. Smart apes should be happy when they see 3x, 5x. Trust me, this is a good, excellent reward, okay? Excellent. So if you keep half here and you see 5x and billing and you see 3x here, you should be happy. But I believe once Bitcoin go to the topest level, let's say Bitcoin will go to 70K. right? It will reach 70K somewhere here, okay? It will boom, reach 70K. And then it will be, working on around this area, okay? Then we will see altcoin bull run when Bitcoin will be on this level, okay? I don't believe it will be soon. I don't believe it will happen, maybe in this year we will see the small bull run, but it will be a time when Bitcoin will reach his top, okay? And I believe the top for Bitcoin, I don't believe this year, maybe next year, will be somewhere about between 100 150K. So it will have here, then it will be reverse, and then finally we will see someone around 100 150K. It will be, top for Bitcoin for this bull run, okay? We are close, guys, I'm telling you. We may be 1 year before the actual bull run for Bitcoin, a real bull run. We may have some better numbers because of inflation and all this, right? Bonds are falling. It may happen. Maybe everything will change. No one knows, okay? But let's see in a normal day, in a sunny day, not in a rainy day. When it rainy day will happen, everything will change. No one knows. It's like a black event, right? No one knows. But let's say in a sunny day, if Bitcoin will top 70K, okay, then you'll see the small bull run, bull market for the altcoins, right? They also will peak. So 5x in Bitcoin, let's say 16K it was, like 4-5x, it will reach 77K, right? These coins will also do the same. You will see on this last top how they will stream, will do 10x even, right? They will, reach Bitcoin level, okay? Then it will be reversed, again they will fail, and the final bull run, I believe it will be next year, in a sunny day again, not in a rainy day. Rainy day, everything may change. Then you'll see, some crazy numbers. So this is what I expect. I personally expect, okay, I'm not your financial advisor, I expect the Zcash will make $300 easy. The Dash will make four maybe $500. Maybe they will be both on the same level. And Litecoin will probably make the same, like $400-500. Okay, this is my expectation. They may go much about it, but I'm talking about very realistically, okay, okay. And now you can see that Litecoin is 50%. It start to rise, and Dash and Zcash follow. You need to understand, they all currencies. This is a currency, guys. This is not your bullshit ERC20 token. This is a currency, real digital money. Real digital money. Real digital money. They have other kind of attributes, right? Like privacy, right? Like this Dash has a payment system, a little bit, but in the end of the day, they're all currencies. Means I can pay with these coins. It is acceptable in many shops. Okay, as a currencies, proof of work, they always coming together, always go together. And Bitcoin Cash, currencies, all these currencies. Okay, so as a currencies kind of coins, they will behave very similar. Okay, Bitcoin Gold is more on a kind of hype, it follows Bitcoin directly. When Bitcoin go up, this will go up, and Bitcoin Gold 37% from beginning of the year. It's not bad, right? Okay, so use this information, guys, as I share with you, and I want to make it short. And as always, I wish you, good luck, and wish you be cool, and more to come. And in a rainy day when everything, red, what I usually do, nothing. If I have cash, I buying. In a sunny day, when you see everything is rising, I have my numbers and I know what to do with my numbers, right? How I leverage my profits. You must have a plan. If you don't have plan, Mr. Fox, you are useless. But if you have a plan, you are smart ape. With all this, adios, guys.